Welcome to this video on one of the most iconic treasures of ancient Egypt, the Golden Death Mask of King Tutankhamun. The mask was discovered in 1922 by the British archaeologist Howard Carter, who had been searching for the tomb of the young pharaoh for years. When Carter finally discovered the tomb, he found that it had remained undisturbed for over 3,000 years. And at the centre of it all was a stunning golden mask of King Tutankhamun. The mask is made of solid gold and weighs over 24 pounds. It is decorated with intricate details and symbols that were important to ancient Egyptians. After being carefully removed from the tomb, the mask underwent extensive restoration and conservation work to ensure that it would be preserved for future generations. Today, the Golden Death Mask of King Tutankhamun is one of the most famous artifacts in the world. It is on permanent display at the Egyptian Museum in Cairo, where visitors from all over the world come to marvel at its beauty and learn about the fascinating history of ancient Egypt. And so, the legacy of King Tutankhamun lives on through this magnificent and iconic Golden Death Mask.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more interesting and engaging content like this. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to let us know. Until next time, take care.